school leaders, my name is Kareen Veldhoen. I'm founder of Learn Forward. Today I'd like to share with you a little bit about my ideal week. Each quarter, I would set up an ideal week spreadsheet, even color-coded. Each quarter, my planner, the Full Focus Planner, invited me to consider my ideal week. This ideal week became the rhythm of my work, and I learned three things over many quarters of setting it up and working through it as a school leader. The first thing I learned is I can schedule time to connect with my teachers, team, and students. This time can be scheduled, it can be built into my work week, can be consistent, and it can be intentional. Of course, I never felt like it was enough. And I certainly, if I had it to do all over again, might do even more than I did. However, I did do it consistently and routinely, and it was part of my ideal week. Number two, I loved having deep work. I found the best rhythm for me was 90 minutes per day of deep work. I closed my door, my team knew how to function without me, and I was able to think strategically and vision and create. It was really important to my work in focusing on what matters most. And number three, my week had to have balance. It had to have balance for my family. It had to have time for my own rest and rejuvenation to sustain the work. And it had to have a fulsome professional intention. If you'd like to know more about how to workshop your own ideal week, please join me at the Goal Achievement Masterclass series. Register today at learnforward.ca. If this video served you, please like, comment, or share. God bless.